Want to earn money from home? Remotasks makes it easy. Just sign up, complete a quick training, and start tackling simple tasks like image labeling or transcriptions as well. It's flexible, easy to get started, and you can work at your own pace. Perfect for earning on the side. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you how to use Remotasks full tutorial. So the first step that you have to do is just open your browser and dive into remote tasks like that, and then you have to click over the first one and you have to sign up after clicking over here over the first website. Because I already have an account, that's why it's up here like that, and here we have my account, and that's it for this one. And right now, after you click over here, you have to add your email address and your password, or you can use the other option, which is continue with Google, and then you get started and you'll find the dashboard. As you can see, so here we have the dashboard, as you can see. So first, let's know what is Remotasks. Remotasks is an online platform that allows you to earn money by completing simple tasks such as image annotation, data labeling, or transcription. After sign up and completing some training, you can start working on various tasks at your own pace, making it a flexible way to earn income from home. So after sign up for Remotasks, you have just to start by completing the necessary training for the tasks you want to do. Then the training helps you learn how to complete tasks like image labeling or transcription correctly. Once trained, you can start selecting tasks from the platform and working on them at your own pace. Each task you complete earns you money, and the more accurate you work, the better tasks you will have access to. You can work whenever it fits your schedule. Just keep checking for new tasks and start earning. Alright, so right now let's just discovering these options and see how you can get started. Firstly, we will found here Remotasks tires to progress tracker. So I think this one is just here. If you complete here one, it's gonna be like that, and then if you complete something else, and then once you complete all these things, you will find or you will earn more money. All right, so we have also here at the top right the button of start tasking. Once you click over it, you will find other page, which is this one. As you can see, you have your task queue is currently empty. You have some information here, for example, large volumes of user requests. Make sure you have a valid payment method. If you are currently on a project and are expecting tasks in your queue, please contact the project teams in Slack. If you just completed a training project, you have a value contribution to the development of AI, and that's it for this one. Let's just move it right now, and let's come back to the dashboard by clicking over here, and let's discover one important one, which is how you can earn money from this platform. Let's just click over learn more, and you will find a page, which is this one. As you can see, we have various information. Let's say the deeply information of this platform, which is remote tasks, and how you can earn money from remote tasks. Firstly, we have what is the remote task type programs. We already mentioned that. Then we have what are the benefits. For example, remote task type consists of three different tiers. Then we have the initial benefits. We have preferred tier as the entry level tier to the program. Elite taskers are considered the top taskers in the platform. Then we have how do I join the program, and we have also here how do I earn remote points. How does XP work? So what is XP work and what is remote points? So let's just discover firstly what is those things. Firstly, we'll find here the first new concept we want to introduce to you is experience points XP. XP is meant to represent the amount of work that you have done on our platform. Every time you complete a task, you will receive a certain amount of XP. Minimum point we have here each week you will have an XP goal, and if you meet it, you will be able to earn remote points. Here we have standard taskers will be able to earn 1 remote points when they reach 3,500 XP in 1 week. Right? So we have here how the example. Then we have then the second tank preferred and elite taskers will earn 1 remote point when they reach 3,500 XP in 1 week. In addition, to an extra 3 remote points when they reach 10,000 XP in that same week, right? And then we have also here elite tier taskers will have access to weekly bonuses. Then we have also here this means that preferred and elite taskers can earn up to 4 remote points in 1 week. Then we have how do I track my progress, and this one is very important. So because it's easy to know how you can earn money, but this important thing, how do you will progress. So if you have to review your progress, you can go to the Remote Tasks Tiers tab. In that new page, you will be able to see a summary of the last few weeks, how many remote points you earned each week, and how many remote points you need to get to the next tier. All right. Then we have also here other information about the work. Also, we have bonuses and we have various things. You have just to click over Remote Task Tiers and you will get your information. All right. Right now, let's just move into the onboarding. We have also here important thing in onboarding, and here we have it right now. Onboarding, as you can see. About this one, about onboarding, you'll find here image segmentation. In the left, you will find your browse projects such as data collection, contact and language, and we have your 2D, and we have also your certification exams. In the right, we'll find here remote tasks boot camps. About this one, we have how want to increase your payment. Sign up for an online remote task bootcamp. You click over here and you start signing up. So we have no prior experience required. You can match it with one of your certified trained and go draw a guide program. So we have here you add your remote task email, full legal name, personal email, and we have also here contact, PayPal email address, country. Then we have here pick the time that best fit for your schedule, computer specs. Then we have also internet speed, and you click register once you're done. All right, so this is for important, and that's it for those things and how you can get started. We have also here other information such as task log. We have also here balance, and we have also here missions. About this one, it's more important again. So about here you'll find important information such as missions are a way to earn additional rewards for completed work. Missions are paid out once all milestones are completed or once the mission expires. Then we have task availability. For missions is subject to customer demand, and having a mission does not guarantee work to complete it. Then we have also here progress on hours-based missions, including hoop staff and data compute hours may take up to 48 hours to update. All right. So you have this to get started. Just see your missions is completed, and once you complete it, of course you will get your money or you will make money from this platform. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead. So remote tasks is a flexible and straightforward way to earn money by completing simple online tasks. After completing the training, you can work at your own pace and choose tasks that fit your skills. With consistent work, you can increase your earnings and unlock more opportunities, making it a great option for side income. So that's it for this video. You have just to follow the steps, and you have to read more information because remote task is just read, and you have to get started by working after your knowledge and you start practicing. Of course, you will find some problems and some obstacles in the beginning. That's normal for each website or each platform before have an experience, but you have to be patient and then you will earn money. And that's it for this video, and see you again in the next video, guys.